Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Gmail account without a phone number. First off, we want to make sure that we have logged out of all of our devices, all of our accounts. Just press this button right here. Next, what we need to do is obviously go to Gmail. Then we need to click on Use Another Account. Then click on Create an Account. Now select For Myself. We're just going to create some random throwaway account. It doesn't really matter. Let me just fill this out, the first name and the username, which is optional. And now the date of birth, just fill it. And now it will give you some Gmail suggestions. If you don't like it, click on Create Your Own Gmail address and type your preferred one and click on Next. Now, create a password and click on Next. Now it will ask you to add a recovery email. Just click on Skip. And now add a phone number, you can skip it as well. You can see that after you have logged out of all of your accounts, it's not asking us for the phone number. But what if it asks for the phone number? What if that's the case? Well, Google does this and removes the phone number being optional if they noticed very weird traffic coming from your network. If you kept on trying to create accounts, it won't say phone number optional. It will request a phone number. But what I did, I left my accounts relaxed. I stayed logged into the same Google account for 3 days, and it fixed the problem. If your phone number isn't optional, you have to make sure to stay logged into one Google account for 3 days, and then try this again. I swear it's going to make a difference, guys. But what if it's still not optional? Well, I have a solution for that as well. You got to fill in all of this information, and then I would use these two websites. Now, what this does is essentially, these are digital SMS receive websites. Guys, what you can do is you select a phone number, random phone number, click on it, then you click to copy. And when the phone number is requested of you, you just copy and paste it. Now, the issue with this, make sure your country code is also correct. The issue with this is that lots of people use this method. This method is not going to be very effective. You find many phone numbers which will be above the limit of which you can't use. They have been overly used. What I suggest is going to this website instead. Here you can actually see the number of messages which have been received. Remember, first off, if your phone number isn't optional, log into one Google account, stay logged in for 3 days, and then create the account the way I showed you. If your phone number isn't optional, go to either of these websites. They'll both be in the description below, and proceed to make your Gmail account that way. Hope it helped you out. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.